becoming a Jackson juror. Jury selection is going on right now in the trial of Dr. Conrad Murray. That's Michael Jackson's doctor who was charged with involuntary manslaughter in Michael's death. Tonight, we've got an incredible look at just how these 12 men and women will be picked. Here's CNN's Ted Rollins for Showbiz Tonight.
I give it back right to the person who presented.
The process for picking jurors for the Conrad Murray manslaughter trial starts with this 30-page, 117-question document, which lawyers from both sides came up with a few months ago. Answers that prospective jurors give to these questions will be pored over by the attorneys and their jury consultants.
Holy cow. I'm just looking at the medications.
We gave a copy of the juror questionnaire to Joellen Demetrius, who's made a career of picking juries dating back to the O.J. Simpson murder trial. In a case like this, Demetrius says there will be people who may lie to get picked.
People who have hidden agendas, who want to be on a jury because they want to be able to write a book or they want their 15 minutes of fame.
The questionnaire lists 136 potential witnesses, including Jackson's parents, brothers and sisters, and his children. It also asks if and even why an individual saw Jackson's "This Is It." The prosecution is planning to show this clip from the documentary because they say it proved that Jackson was in good health days before his death. There's this question asking about potential jurors' familiarity with a laundry list of 27 different prescription drugs, including propofol, the drug tied to Michael Jackson's death.
The juror who has a lot of personal experience and knowledge of the drugs and medications that are going to be talked about is going to be a better defense juror.
Demetrius says the defense also wants jurors who think Jackson was an oddball. She says prosecutors want the opposite, someone who's a Michael Jackson fan and believes the singer was manipulated during his life and wrongly accused of child molestation. Ultimately, she said the best jurors are those that can stand up to pressure in the jury room.
You want somebody who's strong, who's not going to back down no matter what.
It's likely that at least one question will be added about the Casey Anthony trial. Lawyers on both sides may want to know how much individuals followed that trial. Murray's lawyers say they're concerned about the amount of publicity that Anthony received, suggesting that jurors might have to be sequestered to ensure that Dr. Murray gets a fair trial.